Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making banana bread and then I will be trying a bunch of new stuff that I don't think anybody has tried, and if they did, great stuff, but I haven't heard of any of those recipes. So follow along for the ride. Okay, so the first traditional banana bread recipe I was taught only utilizes 8 ingredients. We utilize bananas, some baking powder, a bit of bicarbonate of soda, butter. I don't have butter, so I'm going to use margarine, then eggs, some salt, brown sugar, and some flour. So let's get to the quantities of the different ingredients, which I will have measured out and walk you guys through it. Okay, so all our ingredients are measured out. I have 2 cups of flour, then I have 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup or 200 grams of butter, then I have 5 bananas or 1 cup of bananas when it's mashed, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and then a quarter teaspoon of salt. Okay, so first up we are going to mix in our dry ingredients. In goes our 2 cups of flour. You can sift it if you want it to be more fluffy. In goes our sugar. Then our 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. And our quarter teaspoon of salt. Let's quickly mix it together, ensuring that everything is mixed in thoroughly. Okay guys, so a few quick tips. If you want to see if an egg is rotten, take it and dump it into a bit of water. If it sinks down to the bottom, then the egg is not rotten and it's still okay. If the egg, however, would have floated here on top of the water, then it would have mean that it is rotten. So take an egg, dump it into the water. If it sinks, it's fine. If it floats on top of the water, then it is rotten. On to mashing the bananas. Now, if you are like me and you can't really wait to have a banana more rotten than it is, my son loves bananas, so we go through them quite a lot. But this is a banana, doesn't really have any bad spots or blemishes. Let's see. No, just a good ripe banana. Now, you should use more of a ripened banana for banana bread. They say it will increase the flavor. My bananas have been sitting for about a week. I got them while they were green, and still, even though if I peel them, they come out looking like this. So I found a way around it, and the way around it is to mash your banana. Mashed bananas. After I've mashed the other 4 as well, I'm going to put them into the fridge for 24 hours, and then by the next day we'll see the difference. Just remember, do not put them in an airtight container. Don't cover them with any type of Glad wrap or anything. Put it in the fridge as is for 24 hours, and thereafter you'll have a ripened banana. Okay, so let's start with our wet ingredients. First, it's the butter. Then it's our 2 eggs. Okay, so after adding the eggs and the butter, we add our banana. And mix it in together. Okay, so the more you mix it, the more the banana breaks down. Now let's proceed to add our dry ingredient mix to the wet ingredients. As you will see, I'm not adding everything at once. I'm adding a little bit, then I mix it in, then I will add a bit more, and that's how I'll continue. Okay, so just make sure, guys, that you get everything from the sides. And there we go. If your batter is too dry for you, then you can always add a little bit of milk or cream. Not too much though, otherwise it's going to be too runny. Now it's time to throw our mix into a prepared bread pan. So after you've poured it into your bread pan, just smoothen it out and put it into an oven that's preheated at 180 degrees Celsius, which is roughly 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You can correct me if I'm wrong. And then leave it in for 1 hour. Okay guys, so I promised you some new ideas or some experimental cooking. I googled in the meantime, and kiwi bread, or putting kiwi in bread like you do, for example, bananas in banana bread, is actually already a thing. It's already been done. So I thought, okay, let's change it up. And I thought, what about adding some strawberries and blueberries to one as well? Please leave a comment which one you think will be better. Our strawberry and blueberry bread, our kiwi bread, or our banana bread. Okay, guys, this is now the recipe where I replaced the banana with strawberry and blueberries. I must say, the smell is divine. Almost like a mixed berry jam. But yeah, like everything, the taste will tell us a lot of what's going on. The color looks bland as hell, but so I've prepared these 5 small mini loaf pans. Now I'm going to use an ice cream spoon with another regular tablespoon to scoop up and put my mix into the pans. Okay guys, please remember to have a timer ready. Unfortunately I forgot to set my timer and I was a few minutes late. So the banana bread just started to singe a bit here on the top. Luckily I could rescue it before then. Took it out. And now we have it on a wire rack. Allow it to cool. Okay, guys, so funny enough, this is now the banana and kiwi batter. It's more yellow than I thought. A prepared pan, and then I can give you an update on the others. Okay, so the kiwi banana bread came out. It doesn't look too bad. It has a slight crack through there. All in all, it looks okay. So banana bread, banana and kiwi, and the strawberry, blackberry, and banana. Now, if you ask me, through everything, whether it's the small cupcakes or muffins, the big loaves or the mini loaves are the ones that came out perfectly. Thanks, bye.